sinking.
Let's see how it spins.
All right, and spins on the way up the lift hill. Bye! So we'll see, see, we're a little sideways. Lift hill, you mean lift hills. Look, there's two of them.
This company does 2 lift hills.
Yeah.
Were you the one telling me that?
No, but
somebody told me that. Bill, I think, told me that. I want to do the Birch Flowers again.
oh, yeah. There you go, Neo's Twister at PowerLand. Woohoo! It's a nice little spin. Yeah, it's all right. Oh. No brakes. Oh, there's my ribs. Oh, my rib. Oh.
One of the rides the other day,
abrupt
I hit
stop.
my elbow and it still hurts.
Oh. I didn't get my elbow, but this seat divider right here, right in the ribs.
All right, one and done.
Yeah.
Credit and forget it.
Yeah, exactly. Film it and
I haven't
move
heard
on.
that. That's very good.
Yeah.
Burner and I are always
That's
saying
good,
that.
yeah.
Credit and forget it.
That's it. That's, I'm stealing that.
No worries.
It's a weird little ride.
Oh, you have to turn it by hand. Oh my goodness.
Either that or it's not working properly. Oh, all right then. We get out here. I feel like this is an add-on afterthought.
But then afterwards you can get this